Making Chewy Brownies from the Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs by America's Test Kitchen. Place chocolate in large Ziploc bag and seal, removing as much air as possible. Use a rolling pin to gently pound the chocolate into small pieces. In a large bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and the pounded chocolate. In the microwave, heat a 1/3 cup of water for about 1 minute until hot. Pour the hot water over the cocoa mixture and whisk until the chocolate is melted and smooth. Add 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Add 1 1/4 cups of sugar and whisk to mix. Next, add 1 large egg and 1 large egg yolk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix. Add 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Half cup of bittersweet chocolate chips. And half teaspoon of salt. Use a rubber spatula to stir until combined and no dry flour is visible. Prepare a square baking pan by lining it with grease-proof paper. Scrape the batter into the baking pan. Place baking pan in the preheated oven. Bake at 350 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Use oven mitts to remove baking pan from the oven. Place it on a cooling rack and let the brownies cool completely in the pan. Use the grease-proof paper to lift the brownies out and place it on a cutting board. Cut the brownies into squares. And serve!